Hello and welcome to Linux Unix Single User System video tutorial. Today we will be exploring different ways to manage Linux file system. Our learning outcomes is to be able to create and view files, perform multiple file operations like copying and moving files, create directories, delete files and directories, and link files. Create and view files. Let's start by looking at some of the mostly used commands when creating and viewing content of a file. The touch command will create a file. The cat command will display files content. The less command will display content page by page. The head-n file will display the first 5 lines of a file. The tail-f will display a continuous update of the last lines of a file. The move command will change a file name. The cp command will copy a file. The make directory will create a new directory. The rm directory will delete a directory. The ln-s will create a symbolic link. Let's start by opening up the terminal and enter touch new file, as this will create a new empty file on your desktop. Switch user by using the su- command and enter your password. You may notice that your terminal color has been changed. Now let's use the head-n5 /variable /log /messages to display the first 5 lines of our message file. And to view a continuous updated display of the last lines of the variable log message file, you enter the tail-f /variable /log message and then press enter. And this will give you a continuous update of your system. Performing multiple file operations. In order for us to perform multiple file operations, let's start off by opening up our terminal and renaming the file you created earlier by entering move new file to my file. When you finish, press enter. And to verify the file was renamed, enter the ls command -l, as this would display the file name, the permissions, and the owner, and the date and the time of the file. This is the new file we renamed. Now let's make a copy of my file and name it my file 1. Enter cp space my file 1 and press enter. And in order for you to verify that the file is there, you use the ls-l command and press enter. In order for us not to keep scanning through these files, we can specify exactly what type of file we want the system to pull up by simply type ls-l my with an asterisk sign at the top. This displays only the file that starts with my, their permissions, the owner, and the date and time of the file. Create directories. Let's start by doing something fun for creating directories. Open up your terminal and create a directory named new directory inside the my directory. And to accomplish this, simply type make directory home /my directory /new directory and press enter. To verify that the directory was created, simply enter ls home sign /my directory and press enter. As you can see, our directory was created. delete files and directories. And to remove this directory, enter rmdir /my directory/new and press enter. Let's remove the files that were created earlier by using the rm command. Also, we can remove all files with names that begins with the letter A in the home mydir directory by entering rm-i home/mydir/a with the asterisk sign. Link files. There are two types of link files, and they are hard link and soft link. A hard link is a mirror copy of the original file. Any changes made to the original or hard link file will reflect the other. Whereas a soft link points to the original file. If you delete the original file, the soft link fails. If you delete the soft link, nothing will happen to your file. To create a hard link or a soft link, we will use the ln-s command and the file name and press enter, as this will create a soft link. You will do the same thing if you will want to create a hard link. But to verify that a soft link exists, you simply use the ls-l command and press enter. And as you can see, you will notice that the symbolic link identifies the files in red. To delete the symbolic link, use the rm command by entering rm home/myfile soft link and press enter, as this will remove the soft link. To verify, you can also use the ls-l command to verify it was deleted, and as you can see, it's no longer there. To exit, simply type exit. Finally, we should be able to create and view files, perform multiple files operations like copying and moving files, create directories, delete files and directories, and understanding link files. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.